Welcome, it's denome. In this video we're going to take a look at XIO network, and the big reason is that you can earn 120 to 360% extra reward when you provide liquidity on Uniswap with XIO. So this is a bonus on top of the money that you make on Uniswap just passively anyway. So your annual reward can be up to 400% per year. So it's pretty significant, and the coin itself, Ivan on Tech has already been talking about this, so I want to make this video before he makes an announcement, which he has said that he will make an announcement on this project. So the price currently is at $0.33 and the market cap is only 5 million. And as you can see here, it has had a good run already, and now we're in this pullback period right here, so it may be a decent peak as well. But before I go to the technical side of the project itself, I'm just going to show you how you can actually put your money in the liquidity pool first. And so you would go to Uniswap and you would connect it with your MetaMask wallet or another wallet, and you have a bunch of different choices here. And you would simply select XIO here, and you would swap some of your ETH or USDT or some other coin into XIO as well. And then you would click pool, and then you will have to deposit XIO and ETH in 50-50 dollar value. So you have to put both in here, and you would just simply add liquidity. As you can see here, I have almost 6,000 XIO on the pool and 6.6 ETH on the pool as well. And I own about 0.5% of the total pool. And when I have the money here, I will earn a little bit of the fees. So whenever you do a swap, I earn a little bit XIO and ETH whenever you do a swap with XIO and ETH on the Uniswap pool here. So that's how the pool works. I made another video which covers everything about how the pools work, what's the impermanent loss and everything like that. In another video, it will pop up here somewhere. So you can watch that if you are interested. But when I have done that, I can earn these extra rewards that are mentioned here, and I will show you all the details later. But first I want to show you my results here. So I have been actually providing liquidity for 2 months already. So if you think that I'm only making this video because I know that Ivan on Tech is going to make an announcement, I have actually been here for a long time already. So I have been providing liquidity for 60 days. And as you can see here, first I was putting the liquidity on version 2, but then they told me that they only pay the rewards if I'm on version 1 of Uniswap. So I migrated it to Uniswap version 1. So as you can see here, I had the XIO on Uniswap 1. Then they told me that you have to actually migrate it to Uniswap 2. So that's what I did here. And then you can see here that I had 1,500 XIO on the Uniswap 1 pool. So I earned the extra rewards here from their fund. And that gave me confidence in the project that, okay, this is a legit project, they actually pay out these things. So that's when I put in 4,500 XIO more in the liquidity pool. So now my total is almost 6,000 from this one and this one. So that's how the numbers came to be as well. So that's how it has been working. And before I show you all the details how you can calculate your profits with this, I will first tell you what XIO is, so you know what you are investing into if you want to invest in this one. And also I will tell you all the risks that are involved here as well. So XIO, what they allow you to do is flash staking. So you can earn staking rewards immediately when you lock things up. So you can lock or stake your assets and you will get the rewards immediately. So it's an interesting concept. And another thing they allow you to do is that you can stake any ERC20 token and earn any other ERC20 token. So for example, you may want to lock Chainlink into the protocol and earn like a DAI token, or you want to earn SNX token instead. So then you would lock the Chainlink in a smart contract and you cannot access it until your staking period is over. But you can access the funds immediately that you choose to take out. And what they want to do here as well, they will want to have like startups here, and they will want to have something called crowd staking. So you can basically gift someone like their tuition fees or something like that with staking. So they can basically make their own profile and ask for money, same like GoFundMe or Kickstarter or something like that. So that's what they want to do here as well. And you can see the dApp here, and basically how it works is that you just connect your MetaMask wallet or another ERC20 wallet that is supported with their dApp, and then you look at the pair that you want to stake, and then you stake it and choose which asset you want to get in return, and then it will immediately be funded with the staking rewards. So that's how it will work. It's currently not working yet. So this is a big like issue I have with the project, is that most of the things that are on the page are not actually on the page. They are told in the video format, and I will show you all of that soon. But basically how it works is that you have stakers and you have makers. If you provide liquidity, you are a maker, and if you are a staker, then it's like this two-way street. So you have stakers and you have makers, and when we are providing liquidity, we are this maker. But if somebody would stake money, they lock up their XIO, and the protocol mints XIO. And if you lock up something else than XIO, there will be a fee in XIO as well. So the project will get a little bit of money from that. But they mint the XIO and they take it out from the liquidity pool, and the XIO is swapped to the altcoin, and the user gets the stake reward immediately, and then the funds are locked in the smart contract. And I don't know exactly how it works on the back end, or like how efficient it will be, but they want to do the beta testing available within the internal beta testing will start July, or should start July, but I think it will be in early August when they start the private beta testing on the staking, and early September they will or mid-September they will have the public beta testing available. And I have signed up for this, so let's see if I can actually get inside the beta test or not. It would be definitely interesting if I can get in. But a lot of these things that you can see from the project, you actually have to go to their XIO Network YouTube channel and watch these videos, because these screenshots that I'm showing you here are not actually available on the in any of the Medium posts or anything like that. So you have to go to the YouTube here, and here you can see the dashboard that will be on the dApp. So you can stake BAT, and you can select your quantity, your duration, and you can select your reward, and you would simply confirm that. And then there may be some bonus staking options also available. And if you go to the dashboard on the dApp as well, you can see how many XIO you have, how many XIO you have received, and how many portals you are currently active. And then you can unstake the rewards as well before the ending period, but then there will be like an extra fee that you have to pay also. So that's how it basically works. And now the risks here with this project is that they currently don't have the dApp. So that is a big risk, because we don't know if it will work. And also there's the hacking risk. So you could get, this project could get hacked, although they have been around for a long time already. And another thing that's annoying to me is that they don't have a GitHub. So it's currently completely centralized, but they want to go decentralized. And that was their plan from the beginning. So if you look at the videos or their Medium articles from like January this year, you can see that they told this already in the beginning, that they will be centralized in the beginning, but then they will go decentralized. So once the dApp is released, then I think it will be added on the GitHub as well. And then as project goes on, the citizens that are in the project, or the people who are like XIO holders, they call them citizens, they will be able to vote on which startups, which project will be added on the protocol, and the citizens can also decide the interest and the reward ratios as well. And now let's get to the interesting part. So if you click here, you can see these different things. The first thing, if you want to get in, you should become a citizen, because when you become a citizen, you can become this XIO SMS insider, and you can earn 1% monthly interest on your XIO holdings as well. And it's quite easy to become an insider. You simply text this number after you have your the citizenship, and then on the XIO liquidity program, you simply click join the program, and then it will open this Medium article, and you have to read through this, and you can see all the rewards here and how you can do this. It shows all the steps how you can put your money into the liquidity pool. So you have to put at least 1 ETH at the beginning and 1 ETH equivalent of XIO in the pool as well. So you need basically at least 2 ETH in order to be part of the liquidity program. So it's about $600 currently that you have to put in to participate. So there's definitely a barrier for entry, and it's a big risk for many of you. So think about that as well. But when you do this, they have an example of the rewards. So here, example 1, somebody put 10,000 XIO into the liquidity pool, and then because the base rate is 10% when there's 20 to 25 million XIO left in the liquidity pool fund, the base rate will be 10%. So they will get 10% per month. So that will be 1,000 XIO after 1 month. So that's why I got 20% on my XIO on the here. So I got 20% of this number that was paid in XIO because I was providing liquidity for 2 months. And let's go back here. And then there's another example. Somebody put 15,000 XIO here, but then the liquidity base rate was only 2.5% because there was 10 to 15 million XIO left in the XLP fund. So after 12 months, there was a multiplier there as well. But the total XIO they were able to get in return was 11,700 XIO. So how you can maximize your rewards here, you simply go to this screen here, and you can see here that the total amount of XIO remaining has to be 20 to 25 million for you to get the maximum monthly base rate. And then on top of that, the amount of money, amount of time that you stake, put your money in the liquidity pool also gives you a multiplier. So if you put, let's say, 10,000 XIO into the liquidity pool today, there's more than 20 million currently still left in the liquidity pool. So you would be locked in on this level, as well as if you stake, provide liquidity for 6 months, then your the multiplier is 1.5x. So you would get 120% times 1.5. But if you provide liquidity until July or until August 2021, then your multiplier will be 3x. So you would get the 360% annual yield as well. But this is only available until they have 20 million or so left. So if you actually go to the Etherscan, you can see here the top holders of XIO tokens. So you can see here they have the foundation for the devs. they have 25 million XIO left here. Then they have another pool for marketing purposes and the social benefits, or the not social benefits, but the social rewards. So if you are active on their social media and you provide, like, shield this coin, then they will pay out XIO as well. And if you provide XIO in the liquidity pool, you can see here that they still have 23,678,000 XIO left on the pool. So if you currently put your money, your XIO into liquidity pool, then you will be locked in on the maximum reward here. But if you wait, then the rewards will be halved if there's below 20 million XIO. So that's why a lot of people are now investing into XIO so they can get on the maximum level here. And if they keep it for a full 12 months, then they will get even more rewards. So this could be an interesting play currently, that you lock your funds on the liquidity pool currently, because you can get 360% annual yield extra on top of the money that you make from the liquidity pool as well, if you decide to put the money here now. So that's why I have put a significant amount of my capital here on the pool. But again, the risks here are that it could get hacked, or the dApp could be really bad, or something else unexpected happens. But Ivan and Tech, he said he will make an announcement on this one as well. So he's an investor here for sure, but I don't know exactly what the announcement will be. But this is what I've been doing lately, and you can get in if you are interested in that. And let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments, and like this video if you thought it was interesting. And again, the price is currently here, so it could spike up in the nearby future if Ivan on Tech decides to make the announcement or not. But just keep that in mind. It may be a total dud, it may be a good pick, but it's been working quite well so far. But we'll see how the beta testing actually goes. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.